Welcome to our training on buy shipping services. Getting your first order as a seller in the Amazon store is exciting. This training will discuss how to ship your first order with buy shipping so you'll know what to expect. We'll start with an introduction, cover an explanation of the benefits, and review how to buy shipping for your orders. Shipping is an important part of the Amazon store experience. Customers love fast, reliable shipping. As a seller, you're expected to maintain Amazon's high standards and provide a good customer experience. You do have options when shipping your first order. When fulfilling orders on Amazon, you can choose to handle shipping yourself with seller-fulfilled shipping, also known as merchant-fulfilled or MFN. You can also make use of Amazon's delivery network with Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA. In this video, we'll be focusing on your MFN options. When fulfilling orders yourself, you can self-ship your order with a carrier of your choice and then confirm shipment by providing the tracking ID. Or you can make use of Amazon's buy shipping services. Buy shipping is an Amazon services that lets sellers purchase and print shipping labels, ship and confirm orders, and track shipments within Seller Central. With buy shipping, Amazon takes care of the shipping details with a network of trusted carriers. Buy shipping automatically suggests shipping services that can meet the delivery promise to your customer and fit your carrier preference, all with the lowest available cost. Buy shipping can also offer you added protections as a seller. It can help safeguard your performance metrics. These metrics are important because they impact your account health. Good account health is critical to remaining an active seller in the Amazon store. If you ship an order on time with valid tracking via buy shipping, you're protected against negative seller feedback that is solely related to delayed or undelivered packages. If you receive negative feedback regarding a late or undelivered package and you shipped on time with valid tracking via buy shipping, you can request to have this feedback removed. If approved, this negative feedback's impact is removed from your order defect rate. The customer's comment will also display with a strike-through, as well as the statement, "The fulfillment issues associated with this order were not due to the seller." Your order defect rate, or ODR, measures the percentage of orders with one or more defects over a 60-day period. To remain an active seller in the Amazon store, you'll need to keep your ODR under 1%. Buy shipping services can help with A to Z guarantee claims as well. If you purchase buy shipping services and ship on time, you'll be protected against customer claims if issues are solely related to delivery. Amazon can then cover the cost of these claims and stop them from impacting your ODR. Buy shipping can make tracking easier too. Orders shipped using buy shipping don't require separate confirmation, and Amazon automatically uploads tracking info. Tracking information is important. It allows both you and your customer to see where an order is in the delivery process. Amazon also measures the percentage of orders sent with tracking, known as your valid tracking rate, or VTR. You'll need to maintain a VTR of at least 95% to remain an active seller on the Amazon store, and buy shipping helps make this easy. When you're ready to purchase buy shipping services, head to the Orders tab in Seller Central. Then select Manage Orders. On the Manage Orders page, select Buy Shipping on the order you'd like to purchase shipping for. You'll do this instead of choosing Confirm Shipping. Next, review the order's details and make sure everything looks correct. You'll need to enter your product's packaging weight and dimensions before selecting the shipping service you'd like to use. After reviewing and entering all necessary information, click the Buy Shipping button. On the next page, click Print Label to print your purchased shipping label. You're ready to go. You also have the option to buy shipping in bulk. This can help you process labels faster with the option to purchase up to 100 labels at once. To get started with buy shipping in bulk, head to the Manage Orders page and select the Unshipped tab. You can select all orders by checking the checkbox in the upper left corner of the list next to order date. You can also manually check the boxes of the orders you'd like to buy shipping for. With your selections made, select Buy Shipping from the top action bar. You'll then see the Buy Shipping in Bulk page. On this page, update the weight and dimensions for the order under the Weight and Packaging column. Next, verify the shipping service that will ship your order. Then, you'll verify the declared value of the order as well as the delivery confirmation. At the bottom of the page, select the label print orientation, ship from location, and ship date you'd like for your labels. Finally, click Buy Shipping and all labels will be combined in one PDF generated for you to print. Once you print these labels, you're ready to label your boxes and ship your order. Remember to save the PDF containing your labels in case you need to reprint. This concludes our training on Buy Shipping services. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!